What do you think shocks most foreigners when they first move here? What's one Filipino habit or custom that might confuse a foreigner? What's one mistake foreigners make when dating in the Philippines? What's your message to foreigners who want to live here long term? Well, dari kita ma'am. Pila na po edad mo, ma'am? 27. What's your name and age?
Meros, I'm 27.
How are you tonight, Meros?
I'm good. I'm pretty good. Thank
Your name is kind of unique. Meros. Like my rose. Meros. Okay. So anyway, here's the question. What do you think shocks most foreigners when they first move here?
the government policy.
Why? What's with our government policy?
Sometimes my government policy is not equal to give a justice to others, or sometimes the policy of the government is not good for everyone.
Like an unfair. I mean, not fair. Okay. Unfair or not fair. What's one Filipino habit or custom that might confuse a foreigner?
Maybe the Filipinos habit is pagiging chismosa.
Doing like gossip.
Yeah.
Do we Filipinas really do gossip a lot?
Sometimes if I were judgmental to others, maybe sometimes like insecurity. Bad talking like a social media basher.
How about you? Do you gossip too?
Not. I'm not. But little.
Little. Okay, little. What's one mistake foreigners make when dating in the Philippines?
Oh my god. Maybe I don't know.
Ano ba yung mistake na nagigibo ninda kapag nakipag-date sinda digi sa Pilipinas?
I really don't know. But maybe very trustful. That's
Trust?
pagiging trust nila.
Oh, like them trusting the Filipinas like that?
Not all. Maybe yung padalos-dalos like
Padalos-dalos. I don't know how to say that, but it's like making a decision right away without thinking. Padalos-dalos like that?
yes.
Okay. Okay, padalos-dalos. Okay. Now, what's your message to foreigners who want to live here long term? Ano yung message mo naman sa mga foreigners na gusto na mag-start digdi for long term?
Be prepared.
Prepared of what?
Na any changes.
Changes? What?
Yeah, the changes of culture in the Philippines.
And what else?
Being sorry.
That's it, right?
Right.
Okay. Are you single or are you in a relationship?
It's very complicated to me now.
What do you mean very complicated?
Because honestly, I don't like in a relationship, but sometimes I want, sometimes I don't want.
I don't know what's happening to her. So you don't have a boyfriend right now, right?
I have talking stage.
You're in a talking stage, getting to know each other like
Yes.
that. No label yet.
I don't want to level because I want to prepare to my future.
Are you still in college or you're working now?
I'm still college.
What course are you taking?
Business entrepreneurship. Sometimes this is my first time to interview like this. So I'm so very nervous. I don't want to. I'm just, my mind is so very struggling what I'm just answering.
But you're doing great actually. You're doing really great. For first time, I couldn't tell. What's your name and age po?
Angelica, 24 years old.
You have a very beautiful name, Angelica. It's perfect for you because you have this angelic face. Okay, so you're welcome. So here's the question. What do you think shocks most foreigners when they first move here?
For me, I think it's the environment as well as the weather, because we know that most Americans they live in a country where the environment is nice and also the weather is cool or cold. And when they first move in the Philippines, traffic, the pollution and such. So that's the thing that I think most foreigners get shocked when they move to the Philippines.
What's one Filipino habit or custom that might confuse a foreigner?
I think the term or how Filipinos respect elders, like we're the only country that uses po and opo when addressing elderly. So I think they might get confused when they hear it when we address elderly.
What's one mistake foreigners make when dating in the Philippines?
I think for me personally, it's that Filipinas are just in for the money, or that they just think that the Filipino women are dating foreigners just for the money. But my personally, my tita has an American boyfriend, and they do love each other so much. So that's the one mistake that I think foreigners think about when dating Filipinas.
That were into their money. Okay. What's your message to foreigners who want to live here long term?
I think I would encourage them to live here, um, because the Filipinos are very welcoming, and also we do have a great culture that we want foreigners to experience. So that's it.
That's your message for them. Okay. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
Single
How long have you been single?
for all my life.
Oh, no boyfriend since birth. May we know why?
I'm still pursuing my studies, so after studies, maybe there will be a chance to do the dating stuff.
Is it okay for you if may we know what's your studying, like your course?
Yeah, I'm studying nursing.
That's why you're smart. That explains why. A lot of Bicolanas here in Naga City, they're studying nursing. Very like impressive, right? A lot of bright Bicolanas, smart Bicolanas. Do you live here in Naga?
Yeah, I do live here, but I study in Manila. I'm just here for the summer vacation.
What's your name and age?
I'm Miel. I am 18 years old.
What's one mistake foreigners make when dating in the Philippines?
Probably they think that most Filipina or Filipinos are so easy to get, and like probably they might treat them like just a plaything or something.
Okay. What's your message? Okay. What's your message to foreigners who want to live here long term?
To all the foreigners who want to live here for a long time, my message is that always be kind and open to our culture and our heritage. That's it.
Are you single or you're taken, Miel?
I'm single
How long have you been single?
since birth.
Oh, and you're 18 years old. Are you in college now?
I'm going to college.
And what are you taking?
I'm thinking of taking BS psychology.
What's your name and age po?
Shireen Valiente po, 23.
20. 23. Okay. How are you tonight, ma'am?
Feeling good.
That's good. Okay, so anyway, here's the question. What do you think shocks most foreigners when they first move here?
They think everything else was cheaper, but for us it was expensive. Yeah.
Okay. Do you think it's because of the inflation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What's one Filipino habit or custom that might confuse a foreigner?
We always say po and opo.
Other than that, what else?
Um, and
How about anything that we do, like physically? Like it's a habit for us.
we use the mano, like that.
Oh.
Yeah.
The mano po as a sign of respect. Okay. What's one mistake foreigners make when dating in the Philippines?
Hmm, I don't know.
No idea.
Yes, ma'am.
I know she's in a hurry, but she's very kind to accept the interview. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflection